What's up, y'all? My name is Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to film a review on the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in shade Diamond Milk. So while going through YouTube, I saw a lot of people doing reviews on this gloss, but they were also doing it. I only saw looks that were like cool toned, so like grays, blues, greens, like very like deep dark colors. While this is a dark look, I wanted to do something more warmer, on the warmer side of the spectrum. So if you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. My brows are done and my face is already primed. To create a base for my lids, I'm just going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream in the shade D35 Neutral. And I'm just going to use this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush kit to blend it all up. So for today's palette, I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A palette. We are going to go into the red area right here, because we're going to be creating a cranberry smoky eye. And as I'm applying the colors, I will be entering like a little picture of it and to show you which specific color I'll be using. So for my first color, I'm going to be using this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush kit, and I'm going to be going into the color Create. And with that same brush, I'm going to go into the color Vibrant and putting that right on top. Taking another fluffy brush from the Amazon brush kit. All the brush kits I'm going to link down below in the description, by the way. I'm going to go into the color Passion and put that in the crease. Taking this e.l.f. blending eye brush, I'm going to go into the color Slice. I'm going to concentrate that in the crease just a tad bit more, just to deepen it. And taking this angled fluffy brush from my Amazon brush kit, I'm going into the shade Forever and using that as a lid color. And just taking a fluffy brush, the fluffy brush we used earlier, adding no product, I'm just going to use it to clean up the edges between my lid color and the crease colors for a nice even blend. And then taking a makeup wipe, we're just gonna clean the edges. Just like so. Just want to catch any fallout that may have gotten under the eye. There we go. I'm just going to speed through my foundation routine and I'll check in after to complete the under eye. Just a quick pause. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications of future uploads. I'm going to take this black eyeliner I got from the beauty supply, and I'm just gonna tight line. I'm not a fan of tight lining, but I'm getting good at it. Taking this number 7 brush from It's My Rary by BH Cosmetics collection. I'm gonna go into the color Passion, and I'm gonna stamp that under my lash line. Taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna go into the color Create. And I'm going to lightly use that under Passion. For lashes, I got these lashes from AliExpress. I will link them down below. They're nice and fluttery. I really like them. They are in the style A21. They're really pretty. For blush, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance Baked Blush in the shade Warm Berry. We're going very rosy today. So for a highlighter, I'm just going to go into the NYX Illuminator in the shade Narcissistic. And to apply that, I'm using the Real Techniques contour brush. set my face, I'm just going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter. So to line my lips, I'm going to be using the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Not in Molasses, but in the shade Dark Horse. It's like a really deep plum color. I think it would go perfect with this look. To fill in my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Retro, Vintage, not Retro. I'm going to lightly dot that across the middle of my lips. And to gloss it up, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk. I love it. It's not sticky. It doesn't create like that weird residue that you get with other lip glosses. Oh yeah, I can smell that. That smells good. I usually hate the smell of vanilla, but this is like a tolerable scent. That is crazy. I love this gloss. It's not sticky. Same exact formula as the Fenty Glow. This, I thought for some weird reason, I don't know why, but to see that it's like kind of like white in the packaging, I thought it was gonna give me like an icy glow effect, but it didn't. You can wear this under any lip gloss. I wanted to prove that by showcasing that you can with a red lip. Alright, so this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!